Are you serious right now? Are you for real, Suwanee? Suwanee, have you been holding out on me? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by the HedonistSeller on all channels, which will be linked down below. And I am a full-time reseller on Poshnmark as well as eBay. So on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. Today's video is going to be another ThredUp unboxing, you guys. I've done several ThredUp unboxings on my channel. They tend to be the most popular videos on my channel, so that's why I keep doing them, even though I have a ton of inventory. And I also love doing the unboxings because it's like a surprise. It's like Christmas. I get to find out what someone gifted me, and get to do it for you guys. I'll link that playlist above where all the ThredUp videos are, so you can go and check out those videos. But let's go ahead and get started. So I got 15 more pairs of shoes from ThredUp. 15 pairs of shoes as of right now. Cost $80. It's free shipping. So the shoes turn out to be about like $5.33 a piece, which is around about what I would pay here in the thrift stores. But like I said, when I'm thrifting, I can pick what I want. ThredUp is sending me 15 pairs of shoes. I get what I get. They're damaged if they're damaged. They're bad if they're bad. Doesn't matter. So the last couple of ThredUp videos I did were shoe unboxings because that's pretty much what I have been buying, because the clothing that I get has never really been good. I don't know if I've ever gotten a good clothing box. I've gotten good shoe box, I've gotten good handbags, and I've gotten, I think, one or designer box that was pretty good. But clothing, never good, because it always comes from Suwanee, Georgia, which is just up the road from me. I live in Savannah. But the shoe boxes have all come from like Phoenix or Philadelphia, and they've always been really good. Well, today's video is going to be different because guess what? These shoes came from Suwanee, Georgia. So I have gotten 15 pairs of shoes from Georgia, and we're going to see if the shoes are as bad as the clothes, or if the shoes from Suwanee are as good as the ones from Phoenix. So that's a more positive note, I guess. I'm going to guess they're going to be pretty bad. I don't really have high hopes for this box, but let's go ahead and see what I got. All right. Let's go. Okay, well, I'm not hating the top. I've got these pair of boots, and they are by the North Face. Now, that's surprising because we don't have a lot of like winter around these parts. Or it's not snowy. And these look like brand new, which this makes sense because it never snows in South Georgia. So who bought these boots? I don't know. Maybe they just wore them one time. But that's great. That's a good start. I don't want to get too excited because who knows. All right. Next is a pair of tennis shoes. They're a pair of Nikes. This is something. My light went. Why did my light go? Okay. This is a pair of Nikes. I think one of these like platform sneakers. I don't know a lot about tennis shoes. Nike and the swoosh name and the stripe are trademarks. So these are these fakes? No, okay, they were saying they're trademarks. It's over here. Here's the barcode. Nike usually has like a barcode and a number over here. I will look it up and see how these are. These are also like barely worn. And they're 6.5. I wonder if these are, no, these look bigger than a 6.5. Let me look though. Yeah, there's a 10. So these were not from the same person, but these also look barely worn. So, I don't know. Maybe it'll be good. Maybe Suwanee. Maybe just shoes in general are better. Hey, a pair of Allbirds that also look like they've never been worn. Are these all from Ross or something? So, these are Allbirds that look like Rothy's? Yeah, Rothy's. There's a pair of gray. I think I've seen these at Marshall's. These exact shoes. But these are a size 10, perhaps from the North Face people. Okay, so that's great. Holy crap. All right. Come on, let's see what we got. I mean, they're not terrible, not amazing, but pair of Max Studio, which is sold at Nordstrom. It's just, you know, a pair of faux snakeskin? Genuine snakeskin upper. No, these are not faux. I thought they felt like snakeskin. Okay, so this is real snakeskin shoes with leather bottoms or soles. Wow, size 8. There is damage here on the heel. It's coming like loose. So that's crazy. Real snakeskin. Like, oh, you can feel it. I don't like it. All right. Where are you? You have beads on you. What are you? You are... Oh, Jack Rogers. Suwanee, did they watch this one of my videos and like learn that I think Suwanee is terrible? Maybe. These are Jack Rogers, mostly known for their little sandals with medallions, but these are cute. These are a size 7, little beads on the side. All right, I'm just like digging in here. All right, so here's some Hermes. I mean, no, it's not the same shoe. So these are Steven, I think Steven by Steve Madden, which actually I think they're more expensive line. They're size 6.5. So these are nice. Those are like the Hermes knockoff, not knockoff, inspired by Hermes shoes. All right, so these are C-Fixie. I have no idea. They're a size 40, just your sandal. I think that's a size 10 as well. These feel nice. I don't know what they are. They are Aquatalia. Are you serious right now? Are you for real, Suwanee? Suwanee, have you been holding out on me? Is it the shoe boxes? Now I'm going to be like, oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Arizona. Step up your game, Phoenix. Holy crap. Suwanee is kicking Phoenix's ass. And there's like a platform boot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's exciting. These are all so good. Like these are all so good. Like the worst ones are, well, actually I don't know what that one brand is, but wow. Okay. All right. So a little down. These are a New Day size 8, but these have also never been worn. Has this like never been worn shoes? So this is sold at Target. At least they've never been worn, and they're size 8. I'm 7.5. Those might fit. What am I getting? Okay, Zara. You know what? I've gotten worse. Zara size 41. Just a little patent heel, a pointed toe. Okay, we've got some more Nikes. These are cute. They're like a little peach color. I like these. What size are they? A 6. Probably too small. So these are tiny, but they're still cute. Nice. And clean. And they're, again, clean. It's like no one wore them. What are you? Madewell? What? Look at oh my God. Are you serious? Madewell. I mean, these aren't the best, but like it's just the fact that they keep being good. Wow, size 7, and that's a beautiful fall color. Oh my God. All right. Oh my gosh. How many do we have left? Let's please have a whole box of this. I just want more and more. Okay. I don't know what you were. What are you? Okay. I expected to find these because a lot of people wear these around here. It's Sperry's. Just your standard boat shoe. What size are these? These are a 6.5. I feel like I have looked these up before and they're expensive, but I'm not sure. Italian patent, so I'm going to say yes. Geox. Did I get these in the last box or something? I can't remember. But they're just little platform sandal. Oh my God, I feel bad. I'm sorry, Suwanee, Georgia, for telling you that you have crap clothes. Actually, you still have crap clothes, but you have great shoes. Great shoes. I don't know what size these are, but hey, cute. All right, last pair. We've got some boots, and they are by someone, I can't read it. It's like a little cowboy boot. What are you? Something dials. 7 dials? I don't know. Okay, so it's probably not the best pair to end on, but still. I don't know what. Something dials. 7 dials. I think it says 7 dials. 7 dials. This is a pair of boots by 7 dials. I've never heard of it. Maybe sold at Kohl's. I have no idea. But they still look nice. But oh my God, North Face, Aquatalia. We've got Allbirds. We've got real snakeskin. We've got some Nikes. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I can't believe that. That was the best ThredUp box I've probably ever gotten. I'm not even kidding. Those were good. Look at these old North Face. These are in like perfect condition. I'm not even kidding. This is great. Yay, Suwanee. I just drove by them today because I had to come home from Atlanta. Wow. Anyway, well, I don't even know, guys. I can't even say, do you think that was a good box? Because it was a good box. If you don't think that was a good box, I want to see what kind of boxes you're getting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up and hit that bell notification to come see more of my videos. I would really appreciate it. YouTube really does like it. And otherwise, I hope you guys are having a good sales week, and I will see you next time. Bye.